Good morning. Today we are going to see about Aurobindo Pharma. And here, today we came across a bullish flag formation in the chart of Aurobindo Pharma. So I will explain you what do you mean by this bullish flag pattern in relation with the Aurobindo Pharma chart itself. Okay, so bullish flag pattern is otherwise known as bullish flag or bull flag. Why it is called as bull flag? Here there is a pole, straight pole, and from the pole there is a flag also. Okay, and here the pole represent the vertical movement of the stock. That is, it's a steep climbing, and which represent a strong bullish bias. In the chart we can see that there is here we can see a pole and which represent a strong bullish pattern, and from there often we know that once within the chart, if the share starts to move in a very upward, it takes a steep upward trend or a vertical pattern, then of course the share would have to come down. But here what happened is that the share started after a few time, the share started to move in a horizontal pattern, that it forms a horizontal rectangle pattern, and which form a flag from the pole. Okay, but the thing is that here, instead of being in a horizontal rectangle pattern, here in the chart we can see that it is little bit angled downward. So everyone would be asking that it's moving, rather than going in a horizontal rectangle pattern, it's going in a downward trend. So of course it would be going in a negative pattern, bearish only. But here it is not like that way. Certain times there would be a variation from the horizontal rectangular pattern, and the shares may start to move in a little bit angle towards the downward trend. But you have to remember that it's a consolidation. Means the flag represents the consolidation, and it strongly represents that it's not going to be moving. It's not going to be moving downwards. And here, what happened is that once the moment there is a break in this flagpole pattern, then the stock start to move in an upward trend. And the upward trend will be in such a way that it would represent the measurement of the preceded flagpole. So we can, so I would suggest that we have to take the approach of a buying, or those people who are already holding these shares should hold this share further, and we can see in the coming days we can see a price range of 715 rupees and maybe higher also. And as usual, I would like to say you that it's share market. You can see here anything and everything. So it's your money. So take your decision in appropriate manner. But the thing is that I have explained to you what I have seen in the chart. So you have to remember that it's a bullish flag pattern. If you want you can search it in the Google also. So I would suggest you to buy it or either hold it till the range of 715 rupees. It's my approach. If you like it, kindly subscribe and like my video.